Alright guys, there's date and time on a Garmin Furnace 620, and we're here currently at 500 Central Plaza in Mount Prospect, Illinois. So it's basically one of those office buildings that has a parking structure in the ground level and the office building built above it. So like what you're seeing right now. And this, we're going to take a ride in our elevator. Now interesting how this is laid out. Because the elevator is right there, you can either walk down the stairs or down this handicap ramp to get to it. This is how we'll go down the handicap ramp. There's Big Brother watching us. Say hi. And yeah, with that being said, let's take a ride in this elevator. I believe this is either a Schindler-Houghton or a pain button. Not exactly sure. We'll find out once we call it. We'll stand back so you guys can watch the door open. My mask is fogging up my glasses, so it's kind of hard to see. I can see great with the camera. So this is a really nice cab. It's got mirrors everywhere. And looks like it's a Westinghouse? I mean, it's got EPCO Circleline, but it doesn't always mean it's a Westinghouse. So I'm going to go up to 2. Alright, so here are 2. Supposed to be a Schindler. Now it's back down to the garage level. It's a weird 7-door operator. Let's get a cab view. It's quite nice for an office building. See me in the mirror. Hi. There are the lights up there. And there's the vent for the fan. Here are your lanterns, or your lantern, because there's only one. Your floor indicator, inspection certificate. I'll pause to read. Here are your fixtures right here, and here's your phone. So now we're going to watch this close up from here. We'll watch from here actually. There it goes. And that's going to be it.